GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wo don sa emia bell no so wo be notification and this an news e de betu bia wo be bi atie anase wo be bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha meaning e de adwoa search. Sometimes odwen ho a onte ase say obi be create a platform e wo social media na obeko akọ follow nipa no na obema unnecessary comments just to make the person feels bad. Eya na sometimes ha dwin ye papa. Gloria Safo actress da adofie yin ni say Gloria ni age ekwani ye kakra a on worry na ye na ebedi dance say Africa ha even teach Ghana ha pa oyoba na watra 30 eko 31 32 na say on worry ya society no etagel say oni suban ana say bibi kra na enkoyi nti na bema entimi emeware o na watra 30 so na say wa ware na wo ya eno kra nso asem se ba che say ene say watra 30 na wo ware ya trauma obekom enya asem ketwa wa ware nso na wo ya trauma obekom no nso eno nso enya asem ketwa ha dwin ye papa na obi akoma sebio unnecessary comments Gloria Safo ni post asia so irritating na do fe bekaya saligali a waware prayer omo bondo no prayer tietia saligali posti picture ni Instagram page ababa we bi comment say sali enwe na na aba wana atem omudi no social media na duabro na nya sempeto na nkasa bae pacho na Gloria Safo nso post bibi ni Instagram page award bi be koso great excellence movie awards eba be koso a Gloria Safo oka awards no omo nominate no omo bema no award ni bi na posti ni Instagram page o che say ni followers and another for vote emfa emmanuel abranti bi ono yo bema o minim say wa wari o so wari yo on wari ya obetumi akọ Gloria ha kosi de pe akọ wari because also your bema wa come comment wa Gloria ni post as ya o che say Gloria complete even all man diamond award crown on complete because on worry na comment na se no amanfo bebre ma Gloria in Christ share sem ka che ne se onya botar because Ghana ha na ye won this na social media no so be koso a unya botar a untime enkoso because unnecessary comment hu nya comment be ma na che se obetumi aye depressed enko na Ghana fo de ema na adofo abrat Gloria Safo posti picture no ni Instagram page a o che say ni followers en vote man no na abranti a wo fe no la main adan ebe ma sa comment na yenti ensema o kan o che say and I quote woman of the year with no proper home and family massa you can't be complete with even diamond awards. Marriage will make you a complete woman, and we don't know, and we just can't understand. Say our Emma will be a complete, and as I say, there are a lot of people a common because they are going through hell. They are never happy. You get it? And obinsu warima nenije lucky. Ain't no. Say the Bible I can say obeme nkwa entumi ntina ena oba so nkwa entumi ntina ntino bema be fi na jafie ene ne re akwakoye ho namba kono. The Bible has said it eyade ebebe mba so umbre emba ya enye by force enye compulsory nyame nimini oye ene oye mu obia enti so obi na ware mba na say oye public figure no social media it doesn't mean so be call post ase oran kasa what for the credit they are creating a platform no on so as be follow no enti me on post has say enko disabuse hu kwasa say bia na Ghana fu bi aka most papa na Gloria Safo so react e o che say sabi nkwase asem a mo endure e wo social media dey we are celebrity and as a public figure and some way na e be cause Gloria ye catch us say menti obia ye ne o ye nyamembre ne emrepa unya 50 years cry 60 years na be worry cry o be worry ye hwe na background when you need to queen ye now so nyame aye na doma wa ene na ne gi nyina ewe ne peye enti me fi obi a Gloria enti ensem we na abranti be akoka che Gloria say omo man diamond award to krana she's not a complete woman.
I was so glad when she called me. Oh, I'm a director, so when I was going, I took a lot of things there. Family, there different ones, you know. So when I got there, and I was asked to do something with Major Ferry. It was just a trial, you know.
Major Ferry was Katare.
Katare,
yes, God bless you so.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So that was it. That was it. I mean,
it actually worked.
That was it. I did my
actually
best.
worked. I mean, there's some of us who worked the Fuhrer because of you.
Oh,
yeah.
no, seriously, because you know, personally, I really love the character of Nanama.
Nanama.
And
Everybody wants to see Nanama.
And I also think it's because of that twist that you brought along. You know, it was full of elderly people and sometimes difficult to relate to.
Absolutely.
But your role was something that we could all relate to. And you know, you could see yourself that. I said, why are you me?
And the youth, Nina, at the time, they've grown.
Exactly.
We've grown together. So it's like the love has really been there. We've really been consistent. I remember some meet me in town and they tell me, hey, would you hire you? You know, especially boutique owners. Yeah, one will be a picture. But you know, they wouldn't be. You know, they always worried me. Oh, hire Adrian, you know. So it worked.
I mean, a mistake because almost since sign was that time, you know. Brand ambassador.
Not corporate world. No one say I see bisa. What I say. Yeah. So it's that time now.
Of course, because now showbiz is really a huge thing.
Oh yeah, it is.
Back then, it was seen as just some kind of entertainment. You understand? So, at what point did you move into like movies? You know, doing proper movies.
So from Ifira, I did some movies before, you know, Ifira came up, but like I said, I always want to hear of an audition. So I heard of an audition by Venus Film. And then I went. You know, those days we used to go to Afrikiko. We'll sit there in the morning, like from 7 a.m. to like 7 p.m., 8 p.m. And you still haven't gotten any role.
Wow.
And no better now, and then you later watch the movie on screen. You know, then you won't get any role.
The movie is out.
Yeah. So we actually had to go through a lot. To be recognized, even at the time, you know. So I did a few movies with Venus Film. I played, you know, minor roles. Sometimes I guess
Venus Films was
Abdusalam,
yeah.
Okay. And then some other, and then Home Sweet Home. Reveal Films came up with Run Baby Run.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I remember that one.
So I was also given a role because I was part of them. And so basically that's how I started with movies as well. And
before you go on, you know, when you mentioned that sometimes you have to sit at Afrikiko from morning till evening, you know, the notion or the information out there that especially girls, you know, have to do all kinds of things.
Extra.
Now, all kinds in quotes, you know, all kinds of things to get a role in a movie. Did you encounter this? I'm not telling you that, tell me what exactly you did.
No, maybe she doesn't mind. Maybe she wants to say it. So yeah.
Look at you.
Here they will free our mind. What I say. So did you encounter this? Did you have to do anything beyond what everybody was doing? You know, just to book your seat at the table.
Well, first of all, I want everybody to know that this happens everywhere. It's not just in the movie industry. I think with every, you know, aspect of life, every corporate world, every field, you know, this happens. I mean, we get people who would want to take advantage of, you know, especially girls, you know, to be able to acquire some positions or to have some jobs done. And so it's a general thing.
Okay.
But I will not sit here and say that I didn't get harassed.
Okay.
I did. I mean, I was. And, you know, it was at that point that it was almost as if you don't do it, you don't get anything to do. You don't get to come on screen. You know, they will tell you in the face that you know. And you know what they do? Sometimes they show you pictures of, you know, other people you see on TV playing big roles. Oh, we cry, see. Yeah,
it might not be true.
And so you see the person all over and you're like, hey, and you know.